Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Messenger notification not showing or not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this issue. So first solution, you have check your internet connection. Inconsistent or poor internet connection is often to root cause behind an app's inability to the push notification. Hence, it is the first thing you should check the internet connection on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have allow Messenger to run in the background. Another reason why Messenger may fail to display notification is if you have restricted it in your from running in the background. Here is how can you change that. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on background app refresh. So you have turned off from here. So then third solution, you have turn off the low power mode. When you enable low power mode on your iPhone, it limits certain background activities to reduced power consumptions. This can cause Messenger notification to stop working. To avoid such issues, it is best to disable low power mode on your iPhone. Open the setting, click on uh, scroll up. So you have click on battery, click on low power mode. From you have turned off from here. Then fourth solution, you have disabled do not disturb mode. If you have enabled do not disturb mode on your iPhone, you will not receive notification from any app including Messenger. Hence, it is the best to ensure your do not disturb mode is turned off. Open the control center. Two methods you have. uh, do not disturb mode is turned off. None. Click on focus, click on do not disturb mode, turn on, turn off from here. Then you have and second, you have open the setting again. You have click on click on general, click on focus. Oh sorry guys, you have click on focus, click on do not disturb mode, turn on and off from here. Then fifth solution, update Messenger. Facebook Messenger. The Messenger app regularly received updates on both Android or iPhone that include big fixes to performance improvement. If the notification problem is occurring due to bug within the app, updating the latest version on your iPhone. Open the App Store from you have update the Messenger app from App Store on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have reinstall Facebook Messenger. If the notification issues persist even after updating the app, your last option is the uninstall and Messenger app, and then you have install it again on your iPhone. You should remove all the data from your iPhone and giving it a fresh restart. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.